The environment is changing, the greenhouse effect is intensifying, and the global climate is warming. In December 2009, the World Climate Conference convened in Copenhagen, Denmark, attracted an unprecedented level of attention around the world. Energy conservation, emission reduction, and global warming have become the most pressing issues of the modern world.
17,000 tan sampah setiap hari dan bakal mencecah 30,000 tan sehari menjelang 2020. Fakta menakutkan itu sedang dan akan ditempuhi negara.
It is against this backdrop that SWT committed itself to saving Malaysia from the waste and circling them, so that our descendants can inherit clear water and blue skies. Besides the huge space they occupy, landfills are also prone to causing air and groundwater pollution. Waste incineration can not only save the land, but also aid reduction, resource, and harmlessness-oriented waste treatment, while at the same time creating substantial job opportunities. What's more, it can help create a beautiful environment, change waste into wealth, save energy, and reduce emissions. Waste treatment practice in developed countries are mainly incineration-oriented. By introducing leading-edge technologies and carrying out in-depth studies, SWT now offers 3 global leading waste treatment technologies: grate furnaces, fluid bed, and thermal decomposition furnaces, and is committed to building the most advanced world-class incineration facilities. At present, the world waste disposal methods are mainly classified into the following 3 types: sanitary landfill, incineration, and composting. Sanitary landfill is to place waste on top of the layer and covered with compact and soil. However, it occupies large proportion of landfill, and it proved to cause the surrounding water, soil, and air pollution. Composting is to decompose the waste organic matter or fiber bundle with other materials and separate into human material. This way has a secondary pollution. Harmful substances and heavy metals are difficult to control in the fertilizer production. Incineration is to dispose waste at high temperature. After waste incineration, more than 80% of the weight and more than 90% of the volume can be reduced. Heat power from waste incineration can be utilized in heat supplies and electronic generation.
Incineration has become the chief method of waste disposal in the developed countries. Take the waste-to-power plant with daily capacity of 1,000 tons, for example. Waste-to-power plant mainly consists of waste collection system, waste incineration system, waste heat boiler, and its auxiliary equipment, turbine generator unit and its auxiliary equipment, gas treatment system, ash treatment system, sewage collection and treatment system, auxiliary fuel system and automatic control system, etc. The waste from the sealed garbage trucks are transported to the factory, discharged into the main building lobby, and dumped into the waste storage pit. Power plant is also equipped with large-sized waste crusher to break up large pieces of waste before feeding into inlet throat. Storage pits has a holding capacity of more than 10,000 cubic meters waste available for 5 to 7 days. Storage pit is equipped with 2 8 cubic meters of waste shunting. The grab transport the waste into the entrance funnel and from the chute into grate incineration. The temperature in the high temperature combustion zone reaches 1200 degrees Celsius. The gas flues from waste incineration go into the waste heat boiler. The boilers are equipped with SNCR system to effectively reduce nitrogen oxides pollution. By setting steam and water system within waste heat boilers, the heat power from high temperature flue gas are transferred into the superheated system and into steam turbine generator unit to generate electricity. The generator units are equipment with 100% of disc road system to ensure that the turbo generator units are still able to dispose of waste even in the case of malfunction. Out from waste heat boiler, flue gases go through the reaction of semi-dry spray absorber and sprayed into the lime slurry to remove acid gas component, and injected into active carbon powder to absorb heavy metals and dioxins and other substances, and then through bag filter dust absorption in the flue gas, through induced growth fan and drained out of 90-meter high chimneys. Through waste drying, ignition, combustion, and after combustion, furnace slag amounts to about 200 tons per day. Each incinerator is set up with vibration slag conveyor. The head of the conveyor is equipped with vibrating sieve and 3 links. Incineration slags go through slag removal machine and vibrating conveyor into ash storage pit. Fly ashes from boilers and flue gas treatment system are collected in the funnel and then sent to the reaction product storage warehouse. Fly ash contains a certain amount of heavy metals and can be made solidified and stable by adding cement and coupler. And then it is packaged and transported with special sealed trucks to landfill disposal. After the flue gas treatment system, the emission of pollutants are up to the European standards. Incineration process adopts the world's most advanced auto control system. The computer-based Distributed Shape Control System DCS and PLC are adopted simultaneously to help all the steps to achieve fully automatic and optimum control to realize safe, reliable, and cost-effective operation. Waste incineration not only can save lots of land area, realize waste reduction, resourcefulness, and harmlessness, create plenty of employment opportunities, but also beautify the environment, turn the waste into treasure, promote the development of recycling economy to realize the energy saving and pollution reduction.
With the world-class waste treatment technologies, SWT believes that every step forward nourishes every inch of land. SWT complies strictly with the European Union and Japan incinerator guidelines in terms of design, operations, testing, and maintenance of these systems. Through scientific treatment, waste is recycled to produce steam such as dioxin, clean hot water, power generation, and high organic ground tiles. We not only desire mountains of gold and silver, but also pursue clean water and green trees. We humans shoulder a heavy responsibility with regard to environmental protection, energy conservation, and emission reduction. We shall respect the interests of future generations and the health of our contemporaries by making our cities cleaner and our world more beautiful. A clean future with SWT advanced technology that changes waste into a valuable commodity.